80,000 shinobi, an entire army, standing as one. The 5 Kage, the pride of their nations, the 9-tailed beasts, the very embodiment of chakra, the legends of the past, the reanimated Hokage, even Naruto, Uzumaki, and Sasuke Uchiha, granted the power of the Sage of 6 Paths. Every last force they could summon, every legend, every beast, every warrior, all for one man. A man who stood above them all. A man who turned the tide of war with his very presence. A man who became a nightmare, history itself. The ghost of the Uchiha.